Hello, Jens. The job is finished. What's
Hello,
next
PT.
for me?
Yes, what do we need to do? The customer complained that the air conditioning systems are not functioning correctly. This can naturally have many reasons. Mostly it's the air conditioning lines. We either have mechanical stress or material fatigue. So first we have to do the leak detection with our Select H2, forming gas leak detection. Then we'll know where it is. After that, the repair needs to be done. It's quite time consuming, but we can assist the customer today. If the line is leaking, we'll use our RepAC product and fit it. All right, let's go. Let's start. Leak check done with forming gas.
You're here just in time. Look,
Yep, all clear. The line is leaking. All right, we've located the leakage.
it's on the aluminum pipe.
Yeah, then there's nothing else to do. We can't repair it in there. So remove the line, take it to the workbench, repair it with RepAC, and then reinstall it. You get the kit and I'll get the...
I'll get a tool. The line is finally out.
Yes. Here's where you found the leak.
Exactly.
Now we'll start by measuring the line.
What diameter? We have different ones. We have 10, 12,
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter. Got it. 14, 16, or 18 millimeters.
Then we naturally have our RepAC here now, our kit for the repair. PT is now retrieving the 10 millimeter fitting. And tools, sanding fleece, pipe cutter, deburrer are all in the kit. That means we'll now take our pipe cutter.
And we can also add that if there was a larger hole, a corresponding diameter line would also be available. And if you don't need it often, that's no problem. Then we even have another portion here, always in the corresponding diameter. It just doesn't come with a deburrer, sanding fleece, or pipe cutter. You'll need to provide those yourself. Here's our set. It consists of our O-rings. Where are they? Ah, there. We always include 3 seals, 1 rubber seal, 1 gold one, and 1 blue one. And we'll lay them all together now. Then we can assemble it here. Jens is cutting the line apart.
Just tighten it a bit more each time. Don't tighten it completely from the beginning. Hold it firmly for a moment, PT. Yes, thank you. So, now we have the line. Now we take our pipe deburrer. Go in here and deburr the thing from the inside. And of course from the outside on both sides. Then we take our sanding fleece again. Go over it again here.
Be careful with the shavings. That's crucial.
Make sure they don't end up inside the lines later. We have to flush it afterwards anyway. And now we can start.
Now we just insert it. Here, the middle part, we slide this over first.
You have it, I think, stated in here too. In which order? You can see it very clearly here. Which seal comes first, which washer comes next. And then we can see here our O-ring. You do that side now, PT. Then we'll be faster today because we'll eat on time.
Then we do the side. And on one side, there should already be seals for you. I believe so.
So we have one side secured. Now we secure the other side. Align it nicely as it was before. That means here too we see our rubber seal again, then blue, then gold. We go in here, then go over it with our fitting. And I can hold it at the front. Yes, and then we tighten it. That's the most important thing. When the cutting ring is on, the correct tightness comes after we've tightened it. Or screwed together.
Exactly. Let's install the line again. Naturally, we'll do our leak test again with our Select H2 to make sure that our worksite is well and tightly completed, and then we can refill the system.
And it's also very important in this process that after performing a repair, you always do another leak test with forming gas with our Select to check for leaks. It's possible this wasn't the only leak. That's why it's always better.
And even if it's a seal, take select again and go over it again and just check again.
Yeah, we have now carried out the repair. Everything is reinstalled. We conducted another leak test using our Select H2, and now we can say the job is completed. You now know everything about our RepAC, our repair solution for air conditioning lines.
And for anything else you need to know, you'll find it in our online catalogs. Or of course also in the relevant air conditioning brochures and of course on our website.
And don't forget, subscribe to our channel to not miss any more videos.